Hi everybody and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to save Google Maps offline. So, at first we have to mark some location on the map, for example this one, and now we have to scroll to the right to more. Here we have to tap download offline map, and now we can drag and zoom in and zoom out to, as you can see, mark some place. So for example, I want to download this whole city, which is Krakow, here, and now we have to tap download. Now it will be saved. Now let's check what is the time remaining. We have to open here, and now we have to tap offline maps. Here, as you can see, we have download maps, Krakow, downloading to 30%, 52%, 70%, 72, 5, 93, 100. And here, as you can see, it expires June 19th, 2026, unless updated. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.